dude. You are so goddamn ridiculous.
Howdy.
You are even more ridiculous.
Introducing the Pepsi Refresh Project. We're giving away millions for ideas that move the world forward. Every Pepsi refreshes the world. At LensCrafters, we want you to love your new glasses, which is why
enjoy the cake.
Has our 30-day unconditional guarantee.
Well, I do generally like the idea of space travel and space, but I mean, I guess like I understand.
Am I told to go here?
Times were tough. Like they had to cut some money to NASA for a little bit. Kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, I mean,
The ball's totally in Aaron's court.
yeah, like if you think about it, like not a lot of space exploration in the last 40 years. Like landed on the moon, and then what else have we done?
Okay,
Nothing really.
of your uncle, and I have a feeling that you would have really,
Gets pushed back and pushed back.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Who is it? Who's there?
What?
Is there somebody
That's
in the
kind of
room
my
with you?
point.
I want to see who it is.
That day in January when the post office is closed.
Hey Kevin, how do you feel about them backfilling the Hoover Dam?
Wait, what are they doing?
Backfilling the Hoover Dam?
I didn't hear about that.
Yeah.
Sounds very interesting.
But I'm going to ask you to
What
always speak
what
quiet.
would that like entail?
If you raise your voice
I think they're just gonna push a whole lot of like topsoil into it and fill it up with dirt.
and quiet, you stay in control, and it's on to step 3, and it's the hardest one of all. She will tell you how disappointed she is in.
That'd be interesting. They're both really good. They're both really good. My current my current thinking would say Snatch. Lockstock was pretty good. I mean, like they're both really good. They're almost like identical. They're both really good. Which one's your favorite? 3 hot actresses of the 80s. Phoebe Cates. Kim Basinger. 80s, I keep thinking, like, I was trying to think, like, who was top notch in the 80s? Chrissy Swanson.
Rapping?
You sound like I'm sitting in the back seat all the time. Kevin Pratt by my side. He's on my couch, actually on my chair. I'm gonna kill him and eat his legs. Barbecue sauce. What? Listen, Brian. Barbecue sauce. Alright, Kevin. I'll give you $5 if you jump off my roof into the snow.
Can I get 10 out of it?
Yeah.
Thank you. What do you mean stats? You got the Colts.
Man, why is it? It's not even. It's not
14-2.
focusing.
Why don't you get a little bit of this, Brad?
Saints went 13-3.
That's real, man.
It's on tape. It's on tape. I'll never
Close
leave
to
you.
my face real quick.
I'll never leave you again.
Make sure you share this one at the Wallride house when you get back. Jason, stop drinking. Derek, stop farting. Everyone else. Fuck you. Cut.
I won't stop actually.
Uh-oh.
And button stuck. And it won't focus for some reason.
Oh man.
Yeah. What's this skull and crossbones shit I keep seeing?
Uh-oh.
It's coming to the end of its rope.
Yeah. Like whenever I wash them, they always look better. But then they dry and they always would have these weird like patterns of like whiteness. Like I don't know if it's like salt or something in the water.
Yeah, we getting ready to truck back to Wallride. It's not really that far.
Yeah.
It's only like a 10-minute drive in a car. Equivalent by walk, it's only like what, like 15.
Are you gonna show everybody your video?
No! Never!
They don't get to see it.
No!
Like this part? Like this part? That probably won't turn out too well.
I hope everyone's doing well.
You want to give a little shout out to him?
I want to give a little shout out. I want to give a little shout out to the A10 crew, riding the couch, watching a little Dumb and Dumber Uncut.
Kevin, you want to give a shout out?
Shout out.
I want to
look straight in the camera and give me a shout out.
Shout out.
I want to give a shout out to my moms. I want to give a shout out to
God for making this all possible.
And shit, why not myself? Shout out to Brad. Yeah, the red bandana is not a new thing I'm wearing. It's just to block the face of the sun. And
Whatever, emo kid.
Or the not have it hanging out in my back pocket the whole time.
All right, the journey will begin soon.
I want to say word up to the boys at the World Center Trades. I don't even know what that means.
I didn't think.
Like a mirror to a mirror, it lasts forever.
Do you guys have night vision on this?
It certainly do. It's on right now.
Oh, great. Did I hit that button?
I put it on up there. Never took it off.
Did you say off?
Hey.
Did you say off?
Yeah. Got an idea.
What? I'm not walking with you. Back to Wallride.
I'll put that in my pocket.
Okay.
Hey, Kevin.
Hello, Brad.
Tell me what's up.
Walking down main drag down that way.
Looks like a BG&E truck right there.
We're gonna head up that way, which I guess is to the north. Head back to Wallride. We're here at Schaefer Mechanical Services Incorporated, 410-876-6825. Right here. No one's here. Of course, I don't know what time it is, but no one's here. And nor would they be. We're in the middle of it's just covered in snow everywhere you walk, everywhere you go.
Where are we?
Westminster, Maryland.
I mean, road-wise?
97.
No.
No?
Old Westminster Pike.
Oh yeah, Old Westminster Pike. We are now at the intersection of 97 and Westminster Pike, and not a whole lot of. Well, there's some cars out, but not a lot, but still some. And just gotta go down the hill. Maybe do some super sliding. Update, day 2. Our adventures. We are the sole survivors of the snow holocaust, and we're just trucking on. Ignore those cars, they're just zombies. And congratulations, I always knew he could do it. We're at the sheets here in Westminster, and trekking our way back, slowly but surely. If you take a look up there, cigarette prices allowed by law. I believe it says lowest on the other side of that.
Walking down Main Street. There's coffee music.
Got Johansson's coming up. I figure Johansson ain't open. Neither Sam's. I wanted some bagels.
Action here.
Yeah. like cruising down the home stretch now, past the Shell station, past that little Y. We veered to the right. We're heading up. We'll be at Wallride real soon, actually. So join us.
The chain just came off.
Anybody want a chain?
He just lost his chain, I think.
We made it. Wallride. Did it pretty good too. Let's go in.
What the hell is that? Fake blood?
I would assume, I would hope.
Oh my god, you guys are freaking
Hi. Hi.
Dude, I called you to see if you wanted to fucking ride back, just because it's such a long walk. I mean, I know you guys were adventuring, but...
Dun dun dun!